Hello, my name is José Esposito. I work for the Spanish group Keyter Intarcon, and I am currently managing the pre-sales technical support in Keyter. I'm very proud to show you our new range of chillers and heat pumps using natural refrigerants like propane. We are showing the chiller or heat pumps working with propane. In this case, we have a range of units going from 20 kilowatts up to more than 100 kilowatts. We will be able to work from minus 20 degrees of external temperature and supplying water temperature at around 60 degrees. Well, obviously Keyter is, from many years ago, is already trying to lead the development of cooling technologies with natural refrigerants, because, well, the scenario currently is not very clear for anyone, for any of the players, but we really believe that in a long term, what we should do is to try to change all the units to natural refrigerants like CO2, propane or ammonia. So we are trying to do a big effort to redesign the units to try to make them compact with reducing the refrigerant load, and then we hope that in the following 5 years we will be able to provide a wide portfolio of products working with natural refrigerants.